Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, UNHCR, for having us today presenting our project. I would like to present what we do at the ProFuturo Foundation, the work we're doing with refugees, and our commitment for next year. So what is ProFuturo? ProFuturo is a free digital education program that aims to narrow the education gap worldwide by providing quality education in vulnerable environments. About our mission, we want to narrow the global education gap to children in vulnerable environments in Latin America, the Caribbean, Africa, and Asia. Our vision is to improve the education of millions of children around the world and become a global reference for transformation and innovation in education. So about our beneficiaries, we're focusing on primary school level students. And although this group represents a significant percentage of the world's future adult population, it is of course far from the focus of interest. So about our footprints, since 2016, the year in which we were founded by two Spanish private foundations, Telefónica Foundation and La Caixa Foundation, we have implemented our project in 45 countries. Reaching 4.2 million children, which are actively using our platform, and trained 1.5 million teachers. So ProFuturo started working in private and public schools, but we started working in refugee context at the end of 2017. And we realized that in order to work properly in those contexts, we needed to adapt our model. So we, together with one of our first partners working in refugee context, we developed this holistic model with the objective to contribute to the improvement of education through quality digital education, guaranteeing access to a safe learning space and the psychosocial well-being of children, teachers, and their families. So this holistic model is based on three main objectives, which are access, quality, and resilience. So we think that in order to bring quality education to our classrooms, we needed to do activities related to these other main objectives that have to work together in order to achieve our goals. So in terms of access, we wanted to guarantee access or contribute to guarantee access to a safe learning space by providing materials and tools for teaching and learning and contributing to the protection, health, nutrition, and other mechanisms for the safety and well-being of children, teachers, and their families. In this sense, with the expertise of our partners on the ground, we have refurbished and constructed classrooms, latrines, water points. We have installed solar panels. We have also contributed in registration activities. And then regarding resilience, we want to strengthen resilience through the development of social and emotional skills in a cross-cutting way, psychosocial support, and community participation. I will speak afterwards about what we do in ProFuturo, which will be the quality education part. Of course, doing partnerships with key stakeholders and organizations, NGOs, other institutions is key for our work to be successful. And about ProFuturo's educational strategy, so we focus our work on teacher professional development, enhancing pedagogical appropriation of technology and innovation, providing digital learning experiences to enhance children learning. We all have coaching and continuous coaching and support system. We accompany technically and pedagogically our coaches on the ground, which are the ones responsible to develop our project at the school level. And we have a continuous monitoring and evaluation system that allows us to better understand the needs of our beneficiaries and make improvements. About our achievements to date on our ProFuturo projects in refugee context, we have trained almost 1,800 teachers and reached around 56,000 primary school students. So we started, as I said, in 2017 with a project with projects in Malawi, Lebanon, together with Entre Culturas, a Spanish foundation, and Jesuit Refugee Service. Continued our work in Lebanon with Kayani Foundation and the American University of Beirut, and in Jordan with Mensajeros La Paz. Afterwards, we started with our collaboration with UNHCR in 2021. In Rwanda in 15 schools in 5 refugee camps, continued in Tanzania with Save the Children in Nyarugusu and Nduta camps, and between last and this year we started projects in Nigeria with UNHCR, 5 schools, and Zimbabwe 4 schools, and continued our work in Tanzania with IRC this time. So about what we think are the advantages of connected education, and these quotes come from a workshop that we did with UNHCR colleagues in Rwanda, from Nigeria, Rwanda, and Zimbabwe. We think that technology and innovation applied to education offer a much more enjoyable, visual and interactive way of learning and acquiring basic skills in subjects such as math or literacy. Another added value would be that for refugee children is that it gives them the opportunity to explore way beyond their context or reality. It allows them to know and understand what is happening in the world. It can facilitate teaching in classrooms where barriers multiply, as communication barriers in the refugee context, since students come from very different nationalities. I'm being told that my time is up, so I would just want to speak about our commitment. We will continue working in Tanzania, Lebanon, and Malawi next year, and we wanted to highlight our projects with UNHCR. We will continue our work in 2024 in Nigeria, Rwanda, and Zimbabwe, reaching around 24,000 students. Thank you very much.